Striving for excellent user productivity within Tanner AMS IC design is a key goal for the product development team. The User Programmable Interface within Tanner, also known as UPI, enables users to enhance their design flows with customizations and flow automations. Here in Aladit, Tanner's physical layout environment, C and C++ functions can be executed directly from the TCl interface. Previously, object handlers need to be specified. In this example, retrieving the list of instance names is more straightforward using the function linstance_getList. Tanner's built-in text editor is constantly evolving to help users develop TCl and Python code much more efficiently. Release 2020.3 includes auto-completion of keywords and UPI function names, inline syntax checking, as well as from within the editor script execution. Meanwhile, over in SEdit, the schematic editor mainstay of Tanner, how often do you find yourself searching for an object, whether it's a net, an instance, or something else? The option for scope of search has been added to the find function. Users can specify whether to limit the find operation to just the current selection, view, or library, or whether to search more broadly, such as through all libraries in the design. Tanner AMS IC Design Release 2020.3 includes many more productivity enhancers. Discover more by viewing other videos in the 2020.3 playlist. And if you like what you have seen, click the like button, and better still, subscribe to the EDA Solutions channel in YouTube.